Hey Tutorbud fam, welcome back to another exciting English lesson. Today we are going to learn about the present continuous tense. This tense is used to describe actions that are happening right now or that are ongoing. It's a powerful tool for effective communication as it allows us to express what is happening at the moment. Let's take a look at some examples to better understand how to use this tense. I am reading a book. She is laughing at a joke right now. They are playing soccer at the park. All of these sentences describe actions that are happening right now. Now, let's talk about the structure of the present continuous tense. To form this tense, we use the verb to be in the present tense, followed by the present participle of the main verb. You can compare the structure to the examples to have a better understanding. So why is it important to learn about the present continuous tense? Well, it's a very common and useful tense in English. It allows us to describe actions that are happening right now, which is important for clear communication. Plus, it's used in a lot of everyday situations like talking about hobbies, work, and socializing. Now that you have a good understanding of the present continuous tense, it's time to practice. Try making some sentences using this tense to describe what you are doing right now. I hope you found this lesson helpful and informative. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson.